Okay, so here's a video to show you how to do a histogram in Minitab. So in Canvas, if you're using Minitab to get your graphs, you would select your data set. Okay, so download the data set, and when you open it, it should take you to a page that looks like this. Okay, so this is Minitab. You should already have the values for your variables listed here. I already put the values in. This is just a test run, or just to give you an example of how to get these graphs. So I have just two quantitative variables. I've labeled them X and Y, and then I have one categorical variable I labeled group, and it has two categories, A and B. So to get a histogram, you would hit the graph tab up at the top and then select histogram. Okay, we're going to do simple histogram, so make sure that one's highlighted. Hit OK. Alright, and then you can select the variable that you want to do a histogram for. Let's say we wanted to do it for X. I just double clicked the X variable here and it popped up over here. So this is the variable it's going to graph, is X. And then you could go through these different options if you wanted to change up your graph, or if you just hit OK, you'll get the standard histogram that Minitab will produce. So here's a histogram of the variable X. Here's the number line for the different values. Height is the frequency, and this is the variable. Okay, so you're fine just doing the standard histogram for your lab. I want to put this this graph on my Word document, or you're going to want to put yours on your Word documents. So to copy the graph, okay, if I right click it, hit copy graph, and then if your lab is on a Word document, so here this is just an example, but you'll have the Word document for your lab. If I right click it over here and then I just select paste, sometimes they'll take a little while, but it'll paste the graph onto a Word document. Okay, so you'll be able to put your graphs on your Word documents. And then if I left click it once, I can shrink or the graphs or make them larger, but you can shrink your graphs so that they'll fit nicely on your page under the in the specified areas. Okay.